Good morning, everyone. Chris Moore, Carolina Blue Cigars, TPE 2021. Happy to be here. Booth 1075. Almost forgot my booth. It's been so crazy. So let me introduce everyone to Carolina Blue Cigars. We have the pleasure of being interviewed by one of my longtime package design friends, and I'm glad to be on his podcast today. So let me introduce you a little bit to our booth. We have the basic line of the Habano and the Maduro. We also have our El Fuente factory here as well. We're like one of the only guys in the factory that collaborate with the factory alone. We have two lines, which is the Signature line and the Highway 101 line. The Highway 101 line is special to me because it's actually a highway that I grew up on as a kid and worked in tobacco fields. So what better homage to do than give it a Highway 101 series. So we have 5 in each line. You know, your basic line, which is, we have the Figurado, the Maduro, Habano, Connecticut, the same as on the Nicaraguan side. Anything special we have today is, we're just introducing our cigars to the community, especially because of COVID. We was actually supposed to release everything at the last TPE, but of course they pushed it back. So as far as the packaging is very important here at TPE, we will pretty much move to this side so you can see some of the packaging we have because we're a little busy on the other side. This is something that we got done for the Nicaraguan, is the Black Bears. It's a 56 by 6, very nice, elegant, closed box. Keeps everything tightly sealed. And then we also have the, your regular flat box down there. We try to keep it nice, simple, but classy. And those are some of the Robustos that we have as well. Then we have a few accessories. We got a handmade ashtray that we got done in Dominican Republic that my friend Carlos did for me. Everybody wants to buy it from me, but it's a keepsake for the brand, and I love it. We're having fun. It's for a boutique brand. It's I don't want to say it's hard, but we enjoy what we do. Our cigars are some very good tasting cigars that we like people to enjoy. And please follow us at carolinabluecigars.com on all platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And we hope to follow you. You can follow us for all of our events coming up. We travel. We do pairing with Barrels and Leaf, that we pair all our cigars with all libations, non-alcoholic and alcoholic. So we have a lot of things coming up in the next 6 months. Look out for a couple of new blends that we got coming out for the holiday. Our 11 pack is going to be back where everybody can actually, explore our new cigars. So until next time, come out if you're still in Vegas. If not, follow us and see what we do next. Thank you for the opportunity. Yeah, talk to you guys soon.